Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you are all doing well. As we wait for the remaining participants to join, let's give them a moment. Good evening everyone. On behalf of Raj Lakshmi Solutions Private Limited, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all of our attendees joining us online today. My name is Pawan and I'll be your host for this session. I am joined by our esteemed speakers, Mr. Varun and Mr. Kanam Naidu Reddy, who will guide us through today's topic, Bitrix24 collaboration tool. Before we dive into the main session, let me briefly introduce you to Raj Lakshmi Solutions Private Limited. We provide comprehensive support across multiple areas, including sales, services, solutions, implementations, and development to meet our clients' diverse needs. Our partnership with the leading OEMs further enhance our service offerings. Five-star certified tally partner, gold partner for Bitrix24, channel partner for Great HR, channel partner for SAP Business One, and ERP Wave. Thank you all for joining us today, and we look forward to a valuable session ahead. Over to you, Kanam Naidu.
Thank you, Pawan. My screen is visible. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Kannam Nadu from Rajalakshmi Solutions and I work as a Bitrix implementation specialist. So, first of all, thank you for joining today's webinar. Today, we will explore a powerful and wonderful features in Bitrix 24, that is collaboration. So, what is collaboration? It's a shared all in one workspace designed to help you collaborate efficiently with not just your internal team but also your clients as well as vendors or any external partners. With Collabs, there no need to other multiple applications. Everything you need to like charts, file sharing, task management, and scheduling brought together in a single space inside Bitrix 24. So, in this next few minutes, I will walk you through how collaboration can streamline your work, improve communication, and securely manage collaboration, all from one place. Let's dive into today's topic. Introduction to collaboration. Collaboration are shared workspace in Bitrix 24 designed to seamless collaboration with external clients or partners. You get charts, tasks, and calendars and the files all in one space, so no need to other applications. Common workspace. You can invite both employees as well as the external guests to a single shared space. You can even track who has joined and send auto reminders to those who haven't. Make teamwork transparent and efficient. Collab charts. That is nothing but main communication hub. You can chart making calls and keeping all messages saved and searchable. It's easy to find previous discussions or team members later on. Files in collaboration. It's nothing but you can store, share, and edit files directly into the collaboration. No confusion about these versions. And no more lost files. Everything stay in one place for easy access and the collaboration. Tasks from the charts. It's nothing but turn chart messages into tasks instantly, assign them to the collab members, and track progress within the same space. This is where no important discussing gets missed or forgotten. Calendars and the meetings. It's nothing but easily scheduled meetings by checking team availability. Shared calendars help everyone to stay sync and managing events or deadlines without back and forth. We have lot of options. External platform options are Zoom and other options. Security and access. You control who get access. That means only invited users can enter the collaboration and remove someone revoking access instantly. It's secure, spam proof, and keep your data safe. The collaboration is uh, the collaboration is accessible in the mobile and the web access. Whether you are in the laptop or the phone, collaboration works smoothly. You can chat, managing tasks, or join meetings on the go. Ideal for remoting teams or the field staff. That means external users. So, key takeaway actions. In short, collaboration brings your communication, files, tasks, and the meetings into one secure space. It's built for teamwork, both internal and external users. And, and one more thing, work anywhere and anytime. So you can start using collaboration today from the work groups or the chat sections in the Bitrix24. We also have guided for the both users and the guests to helpful get started quickly. Now let's move from theory to practical. I will hand it over to Varun for quickly live demo inside Bitrix. Over to Varun.
So, hello everyone, myself Varun. I am a Bitrix24 implementer in Rajlakshmi solution. So today we'll discuss the demonstration of team collaboration in Bitrix24. So we can visit to the messenger option. In the messenger option, we have two options to create the collab part. We have to click on the this icon to visit the collab part, or either we have option in the left hand side for the collab. You can visit here and click on the plus icon to create the collab. So in the collab, you can discuss the work issues. You can share the files to the users. You can assign the task, and you can also arrange the meeting. So when you click on the plus icon, here the first option you get is to upload an image to quickly find a collab in the chat list. Secondly, you have to specify the name of the project, and let me take an example. And third is the description. So in the description, you have to briefly describe what the project is about and what is to be worked on. So after the collab is created, this description will appear as the first message in the chat. So after that, we get the access permissions over here, where you can select who can modify the collab, write chat messages, invite participants, configure access permission, and you can directly click on the save option. So to create the collab, you have to click on the create collab option. So now the collab is created. So if you want to invite the external user, here you get the plus icon where you can visit, and you can invite the external user or the guest by entering their phone number or the email address. And you have also access to create the task over here in the collab and assign to the specific person. You can visit the task option and you can manage the task, and you can also create the task from here. So you have to click on the create option to create the task. You can enter the task name, you can enter the task description, and you after that you get many options, like you can attach the file, you can create the document, you can mention someone, and here the option is the assignee. The assignee is the person who would be performing the task. After that, the observer is the part who would be taking the bird eye view on the specific task. You can mention the deadline over here. As I select the deadline also, you can start the time tracker, and you can add the task by clicking on the add task option. And now your task is added to the collab. So here you get multiple views to see your task. So first view is the list view. After that, you get the Kanban view. In the Kanban view, you can manage your task into the different stages. Like we have three stages: new, in progress, or finished. You can also uh, automate it if you put the triggers. So whenever you are starting the task, so it would automatically push to the next stage also. So here you can track the task, and here you get another option to chat with the internal collab persons. You can go to the file option by clicking on the files, and you can also create the file. Uh, you can attach the document over here. You have the add option to attach the file, the folder. You can add a Bitrix24 document, which you get document, spreadsheet, and the presentation, and many other options. So if you want to change the access permission, so you have to visit on the three horizontal dots, and you can click on the edit option where you get the access permission if you want to change in the future. After that, on the pin option, you have also the option to select the time slot where you can maintain the meetings with the outside peoples. You can just directly copy the link and paste over here, and after clicking on the link is open, and you can select the time slot whenever you are available. Like on the 12th I am available for this load. So I select this time, and I can mention my first name and the last name. I can mention my email, and what the topic we are discussing in the meeting, I can mention over here. And by just clicking on the create a meeting, the time slot is booked. So thank you so much for seeing the live demonstration of the task collaboration. Over to you, Pawan.
Yeah, thank you, Kanam Naidu and Varun, for guiding us through today's topic. And I now thank you all for joining today's webinar. We hope you found the session valuable and informative. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Wishing you all the best in your Bitrix24 collab journey with Bitrix24. Have a great day ahead.